Hey, this is Yuri and welcome to Blau Parts. In this video, we're going to be demonstrating how you can change the air filter on 2019 to 2021 Volkswagen Jetta and Golf models with the 1.4 liter engine. This is also going to apply to the 2022 onward Volkswagen Taos and Jetta with the 1.5 liter engine. It has some slight visual differences, but the concept is still going to be the same.
Begin by accessing the engine bay and locating the engine's airbox. This is located on the driver's side left of the engine. Begin loosening the 8 T25 airbox cover mounting screws in a counterclockwise direction. Keep in mind, these are encased screws and will not need to be removed from the airbox cover. Once the screws have been loosened, guide the top side of the airbox upwards and remove the old air filter, being careful not to stress any of the surrounding plastic hoses or electric plugs. Inspect the airbox for any debris. If any exists, use a vacuum cleaner to remove it from the airbox. Next, slide the new air filter into the airbox, confirming that the outside foam sealing edge of the air filter is seated to the bottom side of the airbox. Guide the top side of the airbox onto the air filter, confirming that it aligns and seats correctly to the bottom portion of the airbox. Next, begin tightening the 8 T25 airbox mounting screws in a clockwise direction. Leave each screw loose until all screws are started. Last, evenly tighten all 8 T25 screws.
So that is a quick overview on how to change the air filter on a 2019 Volkswagen Jetta with the 1.4 liter engine. For a full range of premium air filters, check out the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.